Well, for those of you who have been following along, this is the second wood mill video I've made. Sorry it's been so long. However, there's a lot of things different than probably the last time you saw one of these videos, and that is I have a bed extension added on. We got the trailer kit all dialed in. I got the winch kit with the ramps, and we're out here at a completely different site where all of the logs are, which is actually why I bought the mill. Check out the previous video that showed me prepping this spot. We brought in fill and took out a bunch of logs and trees and brush. But we're going to go ahead and get the first log up on the mill and start cutting. Over there.
Got the trailer set up out at the new location. Had a few accessories that we put on it to make it a little more user-friendly. We got the bed extension, the ramps, the winch, and the trailer package, which make it a lot easier to use. We got this very first log milled up while we were out there making stickers, which are the pieces of wood we use to stack between the lumber we're going to be milling for our projects. We learned a lot on this log. Things get much more efficient as these videos progress, but I'd like taking the moment to show you that there are lots of little mistakes when you first get one of these. But overall, went really well, very happy with it. Extremely happy with how the mill performed, and got the site prepped to make it all user-friendly. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the next videos upcoming for building the shed out of the milled lumber. But until next time, thanks for watching.